Hey everybody, welcome to week 2 of the course here, and so I got my quick. I always say it's quick. You try to keep it that way, but since all of you are in an MBA program and you either are now or will be in a leadership role, maybe I thought this might be something a good topic to discuss about, just a little leadership lesson. So be it now or in the future. What kind of leader are you or will you be? And so I got an example here. I kind of call the expense of others. The things we do as leaders sometimes may cause issues for other people. So, what's the expense that we're causing other people to endure based on how we do things? There's a common workplace experience I've heard of and noticed over the years, and it's got to do with a phrase, if I can do it, you can do it. And that can be devastating when it's used the wrong way. Uh, you know, if I can do it, you can do it, or if I can do it, anyone can do it. Uh, Sometimes that's meant in a positive because it's implying that, hey, you're smarter than me, or you're more capable than me. So if I'm able to do this task, you can do it. And so that might be a way to try to motivate people or motivate a group. But what happens when a leader says, if Terry can do it, anyone can do it? So that's where just a different way to approach things. What is the intent of the leader with that statement? Does it imply that Terry's not smart? Or does it imply that the group is not smart? You know, uh, so it just depends on what we're implying. Was it an effort to encourage the group by demeaning one person? Again, the intent. What was the intent? Is it something personal? Is it bullying, insulting, demeaning, belittling, disparaging, degrading? And there's a whole lot of more words we could come up with that, as far as that. Leaders must remember, and this is something, you must remember as a leader or even being an example, is that the words can hurt, they can discriminate, humiliate, cause depression. It cannot be taken back. And here too, there's a whole other bunch of words we could probably find out that describe that. But regardless of the negative actions of a leader, uh, it should not and cannot be allowed to distract or discourage from individual goals. You may be in a situation where you have this terrible boss, and uh, but again, you cannot, it may impact you at work and the environment you're in, but you can't let it impact you personally as far as things like, the last line there about the goals. Sometimes you just have to be your own cheerleader, stay focused, stay positive, ignore the naysayers, ignore the obstacles, and never quit. All right, and just be a great leader or an example. If you're not in a leadership position, be a positive example for others, and learn what not to do from the bad leaders. All right, so that's the takeaway. I often use the phrases, "There's no such thing as bad training." Because even in bad training, when we're taught to do something and we're taught the wrong way, we're learning how not to do something. So there is a positive from it. So anyway, so that's that for this week. And now let's get out of here real quick, um, into the course. So the discussions, again, doing great. No problems there. And if there is, I'll let you know. Let me see, week 1, but okay, so I sent out last week, I sent you a link to a video and for the homework, all right, the exercise problem. So hoping that helps kind of, work it a little bit. And then this week, so week 2, it's similar type problems. I'm going to send you a link um, for this. All right. So, okay, so I'm going to send you a link to this other video I got. It's about 8 minutes that goes over one of the one of the exercise homework exercises. So hopefully that will show you a little more on where to, how to find answers and how we will come up with them. All right. You may be hearing some thunder in the background. I guess we're getting a storm, but anyway. So again, you have the quizzes, And don't forget about your project and so forth. And with that, I'll just cut this short right here. I'll give you my test question. Sometimes you may have noticed I play with this this software. It's called Prisma. You can use on your phone to, cartoonize pictures. So here's the 3, almost 4 next month here. So what's he doing? And here's the and here's the 8-year-old next month. What's he doing? So where were we here? You know, just in general. So we got 2 of them here. This one and that one. So there you go. With that, I'll let you go. Have a great week. If you got any questions, just get in touch. And take care, everybody.